Sunfall here with a guide for Whittleton Creek, Another Life. Sniper rifle, silent assassin, suit only, master difficulty
Whittleton
run.
Creek, Vermont. On the surface.
This wasn't a perfect run, so I figured I'd actually keep it in because to show you that sometimes it takes a while to get the target to do what you want. Right there I just cut a pause because I figured you guys didn't want to see it paused for a few seconds. I must have been doing something. But shoot the camera from this angle. It can be a little bit of a tough shot because that way you don't have to worry about that camera. That camera can be quite annoying. Then plant a coin here. And here. Now we don't have to worry about that camera when we hang out around here because that camera can spot you. And what we're doing is we're waiting for Nolan to come here. We're going to take out his bodyguard first. Reason we take out his bodyguard first is because then he's pretty much free to be taken out by himself. Once you see Nolan, throw the coin to try and get his attention, and that first throw failed, unfortunately. So then throw the coin again and hide behind the house so they don't see you throw the coin. And then he'll tell his bodyguard. Pick up your coin because it will be your only coin. As you can see, there's a jogger that just went past. And he spotted the first coin. Knock him out. You should have enough time, if you timed it right, before Nolan comes, because you can hide behind the cars and he won't see you. That's the guard taken care of. Pick up your coins. And the gun. Now we gotta try and lure Nolan into the garage by throwing coins till he goes inside. You gotta try and hide yourself when you throw coins, because if they see you throw coins, they won't follow the noise. And then you also want to pick them up so he doesn't steal them.
Curious.
Like he does there.
Eureka! Gotta be kidding me. Odd.
See, that throw didn't work because that guard there saw me. I almost had him in first go, but now I'm down to one coin because I let him pick up the other two.
Strange. Alright, you got my attention. Now, let's see what games you're up to. I do not have the time or the patience for this.
Trying to get behind the tree so I can throw the second coin to get his attention. And again, that coin failed. So I gotta retrieve that coin. And throw it again to get his attention.
He's attempting to toy.
Nolan did not want to play coin followed today.
Story of my life. I just keep on wasting talent on pointless crap.
I throw it a bit closer to him this time. And again, he doesn't want to follow it.
Curious. Right. Something's definitely going on. Now let's try not to get jumped. Hold on. Odd. Ugh, just my luck.
And here we go. Finally got him close enough. We just need to get him inside a little bit. And for some reason, even that coin, he did not want to listen to. He catches me here trespassing, but it's fine because we're going to be knocking him out and killing him. So it's not like he's going to be able to tell anybody that I was trespassing. And finally got him inside, so knock him out. Oof, that was rough. Pick up the key, the coin, the other coin, your suitcase, the third coin. Unpack your sniper rifle. You won't be seen as long as you're behind the car here. That's why I left his body here.
Nolan Cassidy is down.
Then shoot him in the head.
Good work, 47. Janus awaits your attention.
Conceal your sniper rifle straight away. And drag his body and put it in the freezer with his bodyguard. Pick up your suitcase and then we can go on to Janus. The guards aren't doing their talking bit this time. I got lucky and was able to get past them faster and go to the window. I almost got busted because, you know, they are going that way, but it was fine. If you want to wait for the guards, you can. Throw the coin here to take out this first guard.
Nine.
Put him in the freezer. Drop the gun here. That way Janus tells his bodyguard to put it away and then wait behind this car. I decided to place a coin here, thinking he might spot the coin, but it didn't work, so don't bother about it. And Janus has noticed the gun, and he's telling Mr. Bodyguard to go put the gun away. The gun will be put away where we are. As you can see on the right, that's where the gun case is. So that way we can get to take out Janus's bodyguard. Put his body in the freezer with the other guard. I was originally planning on placing a coin in it. Then I realized I don't need to. I also realized I hadn't picked up my second coin. Janice is upstairs. So I can head downstairs, just to the left here. Knock him out. And then put his body in the container.
The first annual gathering of the
Collect
Ark
the
Society.
photo. This will be your first clue.
That rings a bell. If Janus was its founder, perhaps he's still attending these gatherings, 47.
Destroy
This could
the
be valuable
footage,
information
so that way you don't have
indeed.
to worry about cameras. And then there's some busts over here. Now, normally what would happen is I would actually get Janice to come down using the busts, but he did not want to play ball. He was doing a Nolan and he's like, I'm not gonna do what you want me to do. Yeah, I'd open the door. There he is. So I'd throw the bust. And the bust would bust, and he would normally come to the stairs, but he decided to ignore that. So I went to get another bust. I didn't want to get busted opening the door, so I was waiting, hoping he was going to come downstairs. And then I realized he's not. He's getting a drink. So I thought if I broke the bust at the wall there, it would let him know, but apparently not. Now he's going outside for a little bit. Well, the window anyway, or the door. Wait for him to walk past the door. He doesn't go downstairs, so I got sick of waiting. Open the door, and then just bust the bust over his head. Drag his body downstairs with the other guard. Then you can pull out your sniper rifle. If you have it on you, which I don't. Try to remember where you put your case. That's what I'm looking for right now. I can't remember where I dropped it. And then I realize, oh, I must have dropped it when I knocked out his body, because the game doesn't let you hold onto your suitcase while dragging the body, which I think is really annoying. You can drag with one foot and hold onto the suitcase, but whatever. Pull out your sniper rifle,
At last, the actions of the first.
and then shoot him point
constant
blank
catch-up.
range in the head,
Death feels like an easy
and
way
stuff
out.
him in the locker.
Still,
Conceal
You're
your
close
sniper
now,
rifle.
gentlemen. Both targets are dead.
Pick up your suitcase and head out the door. Check where the guards are. Coast was clear, and it is not. Now the coast is clear, so vault over, go into the bush on your left there, and then jump over the fence. Then jump over or go through this door. Cling to the right so the guy doesn't spot you. And then we can head back to Nolan's place.
oh, hi.
Here I'm actually looking for my third coin. I don't remember where I lost it, but it's not there, so don't worry. You want to keep an eye on the pest exterminator that's around here. For some reason he's not around at all for me, so I got lucky that way. I could head straight into the shed.
Janus is apparently engaged in a civil lawsuit with another resident of Whittleton Creek. James
Grab the
Batty,
shovel and then open
plaintiff,
the door.
wants Janus to stop his annual landing of a helicopter near the local creek.
Last piece of
Batty claims it
last
interrupts
clue
the
we
nesting
need is
birds
right near
and a
these
species of
bird
frog that has been
houses,
declared
just
endangered.
here where
Must
we
be a
can
very
dig.
important trip given his poor health. A cigar box with a few cigars and a note inside.
Pick up the cigarette case, and that will be the last clue
This
you
is
need, and we
very
can now
interesting.
leave.
The note indicates that the box was given to Janus by the Constant as per tradition, he writes. 47. This could mean
I
that
wanted to use a
Constant and
different
Janus
exit
meet up on a
rather
regular
than the
basis.
one on the right there.
Excellent
So I go
find.
over to the bus stop here for an exit.
Good work, 47. We now know Janus is meeting with the Constant at an event related to the Ark Society.
You can
And
pick
we have
any
an
exit you
approximate
want.
date as well. I think that's all we're going
And
to
then we
get.
exit.
We're close to
Thank
the
you
finish
for
line.
watching.